Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that 2131KOBUSHIDE token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, KOBUSHIDE born from the viral Japanese internet sensation in the definitive community token on the Solana blockchain, following the explosive trend of numbers memes like 67 and the legendary 114514. $21 captures the spirit of resilience and internet culture. With a narrative linked the developers of hit meme apps, $21 aims to bridge the gap between classic J memes, lore, and global crypto community. They are not just a coin, they are a resistance. Their goal is to a $21 million market cap and beyond. First up, 21-year-old forever. 2131 KOBUSHIDE token total supply is 999.9 million and circulating supply is also 999.9 million. 21 token. 21 token is listed on KCX, Wix and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.